you can see the panoramic view. Look at this. Aloha, this is Yong. I'm a licensed real estate broker in Hawaii, also vice president for area. And welcome to the Parkward Village 4100. This was one of the fastest sold stack in Ward Village history. So let's find out why this unit is so popular. I assisted with everything here in Hawaii, including international wire coordination, overseas property and related documents, moving setup, property tax registration, maintenance fee auto payment, and inspection, final walk, and going through the preliminary title and inspection, condo doc, everything related. So even though you're not in Hawaii, that's okay, because I can help my clients through each step carefully and make the process as smooth as possible and also comfortable. So if you're interested in buying or selling real estate in Hawaii, I'm always happy to assist. Aloha!
Wow, look at this place. It's beautiful.
So welcome to the Parkward Village 4100. So look at this view.
Oh my goodness, look at it. So much ocean.
Yeah, you can see Victoria Place, you can see the park, you can see the ocean, Kefalo Harbor. So the Parkward Village is very centrally located. Right across is the park, Whole Foods, Dean and DeLuca coffee shop, shops and restaurant, everything. It's at your fingertip. And this is a Juliet balcony, so you can open the door all the way and look at the beautiful Pacific Ocean. And double pane. Lock it. And this one is 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and 3 parking stalls. So you can tell you're in Kaka'ako, for sure. So the view is, of course, you would die for. And the size of the living room, it's humongous.
Why is the living room so huge?
Because it used to be 3-bedroom, they converted it to 2-bedroom to make the bigger living space.
Oh wow, you can do that?
Yeah. Ta-da! Yeah, it's pretty big, yeah.
Very big.
So let's go see the kitchen. What I like about the kitchen is that when you cook, you can see the ocean. And then, of course, top line appliances, Mila. And the cooktop. And the Sub-Zero refrigerator. And then you also have an appliances garage right here. So you can put your rice cooker here.
It's very convenient.
So this is the 2nd bedroom. You can see the ocean. So this is a total, it's approximately $8,000 in Hawaii. Total rarest.
$8,000? That's crazy.
Yeah, it's more expensive than some people's car.
Used car.
Yeah. So this is the walk-in shower, which is very convenient. And the one sink, just remember, this bathroom is a light color scheme. So either you can choose light or dark, but the owner picked the light color. And there's a walk-in closet for the primary suite.
Nice. Very spacious.
Yeah, very spacious. You can put anything actually. And let's take a look at this. Ta-da!
Wow, this is a nice view to wake up to.
It's really nice view. I'll never get tired of it.
And this view is protected, right?
Yeah, so here, everything is already built.
Nice.
You can see the park, you can see the ocean, you can see the Kefalo Harbor. You know how nighttime is so pretty, huh? Kefalo, because lights up. And now we'll do the primary bathroom. So 2 sinks, double vanity, which is a huge plus. Another $8,000 total rarest. And
And here's the uhuro, the Japanese lake. So it's a deep, very deep sized tub. So we can really relax here. Normally the handle is on this side, right? But Parkway Village have a handle on the other side on the shower. So when you turn the water, you can wait for hot water temperature. So you don't have to wet yourself and scream in the middle of the night, right? So yeah, it's another little touch that helps your everyday life. So this is the entry. So if you come this way, this is the laundry room. So it's a big size laundry room, so you can put washer and dryer side by side. So if you put a shelving, or you can do the custom closet. If you can afford this, you can put a custom closet. Yeah, you can maximize the storage space too. And don't forget, this property comes with 3 parkings. So if you have any questions, if you need help with the real estate, feel free to contact me. I'm here to assist. Thank you and have a great day. I'll see you next time.